Hello everyone, my name is Ignatius Alvin Repento. You can call me Alvin. I am running number 12 and currently class 8D. Today, I would like to present about recycling plastic bags. So, without waiting any further, let's start the video. But first, we need to know our goals in learning these materials. We will understand about what is waste, organic and inorganic waste, plastic waste and its impact, recycle and how to prepare plastic bag for recycles. Into the next slide. I made a list of contents that I'll discuss further in this video. We'll learn the materials in order from what is waste, into plastic waste, and finally, how to recycle it. So, what is waste? Waste is any substance discarded after primary use or is worthless, defective, and of no use, or any simple way to describe it. Waste are unwanted or unusable materials. Waste are also divided into different groups so that we could sort it out easier. Moving on, types of waste. Waste are mainly divided into two groups. First is organic waste and second is inorganic waste. A quick summary. Organic waste are materials that was produced by nature that could exist in a form of liquid state or solid state. Food waste and landscape waste are some of the examples of organic waste. Inorganic waste. Inorganic waste is a type of waste that does not contain organic compounds. It is generally very difficult to decompose by microorganisms. Glass, dust, metal, and plastics are some of the examples of inorganic waste. Organic waste. Organic waste is simply any material that comes from plants or animals and is biodegradable. Anything that you might put in a compost pile is organic waste. Here are some of the examples of organic waste. Food leftovers. Leftovers are foods remaining unconsumed at the end of a meal, which may be put in the intention of eating later. Inedible remains like bones are considered waste. Depending on the situation, leftovers may be saved or thrown away. Compost material. Compost is a mixture of ingredients used as plant fertilizer and to improve soil's physical, chemical, and biological properties. It is commonly prepared by decomposing plant and food waste, recycling organic materials, and manure. Inorganic waste. Inorganic waste is a type of waste that does not contain organic compounds. This waste is generally very difficult to decompose by microorganisms. Inorganic waste remains free from decay, with more than 500 years yet being common for effective decomposition. Glass, aluminum cans, plastic, dust, and metal are some examples of inorganic waste. Now, we are starting to enter the main materials about plastic bags. So, firstly, we need to know about what is plastic bags. A plastic bag, polybag, or pouch is a type of container made of thin, flexible plastic film, non-woven fabric, or plastic textile. Plastic bags are used for containing and transporting goods, such as foods, produce, powders, ice, magazines, chemicals, and waste. It's a common form of packaging. What is the impact? So, what is the impact of overusing plastic bags over and over again? First, it impacts the ocean and waterways. because some plastic release chemicals that endangers marine animals and their habitat. Second, it impacts the land because plastic bags could have ended up in the ocean and took a lot of space. Third, it impacts the animal because a lot of them accidentally eats plastic bags, wrappers, and waste that leads to digestive problems that can cause death. Solutions. Here are some of the solutions I have that will help us to reduce plastic bags. 1. Use reusable bags when shopping. 2. Reuse old plastic bags. 3. Reuse a box from the shop. 4. Refuse plastic bags and go bagless. 5. Take a cloth bag when you go shopping. 6. The final one is recycle. Recycle is one of the most effective way to reduce plastic bags waste. What is recycle? In a simple way to describe, recycle is the process of converting waste materials into new materials. It is also an alternative way to conventional waste disposal that can save material and help lower greenhouse gas emissions. It can also prevent the waste of potentially useful materials and reduce the consumption of fresh raw materials, reducing energy use, air pollution from incineration, and water pollution from landfilling. Now, after knowing what is recycle, we also need to know how to recycle. Here's how to prepare plastic bags for recycle. Firstly, remove the items inside. Secondly, check the bag is dry. Thirdly, check for number 2 or number 4 symbol on plastic bags. And lastly, collect all bags for recycling. After you finish, you can take these plastic bags to the grocery store or authorized recycle so that those plastic bags could get recycled. There's also an alternative way other than recycling. You can make a new product using plastic bags like kite, bracelet, lamp, decoration, and more. Now we've reached the end of the materials. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, so bye. Peace out.